guys, Mike is back with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the Fosi amplifiers. It's a preamplifier, and this amplifier, I'm going to tell you, I forget to test this Fosi amplifier. This is a ZA3, the model from the Fosi amplifier. This is a stereo amplifier. Also, you can run the mono or with the XLR inputs, all that stuff, right? I forget to run this amplifier with my giant speakers right here. This is a 15-inch speakers, right? As you can see, these are the giants. The amplifier, I see there's so many videos, guys. You guys watching just the people talking about this amplifier. I'm not gonna keep talking. I'm gonna actually run this amplifier with the music. I'm gonna run from the preamp. The reason why I'm running this from the Fosi P3 preamp. This is very nice and clean sounding amplifier from the bunch. I test so many AIYIMA amplifiers, DOC, Arylic, you name it. I test so many of them, and I will test every single Fosi amplifiers. I'm gonna order anything that comes up brand new to the market, like this one. It's gonna be next video, right? I'm gonna run these amplifier next video. So only the Fosi amplifier, it feels a lot expensive, a lot nicer, a lot better quality for the price than any amplifier I tested on my. I'm not gonna try too much advertising, but we're gonna run some music. All right.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. Trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. Guess that we should say I'm sorry. Say I'm sorry.
All right. As you can see, this Fosi P3 and the amplifiers. Oh, that's gonna be too long. So the the amplifier and the preamplifier, they have op amps inside. You can change these the op amps, so it's gonna be the sound output is gonna be different. We're gonna run a little bit. Okay, amp is maximum. So it was a 50% volume, right? So too bright. The Fosi amplifier, it's gonna give you with this setup. I have a 5 amp version. It's a 48 volt, huge brick. It didn't get even warm, right? This amplifier is gonna give you 150 watt. 55 watt per channel for this 4 ohm, and you can bridge it here, stereo or mono. As you can see, you can bridge it. It's going to give you 235 watts. They're very nice and clean, not the brightest one, because I had the preamps a lot brighter, but the two preamps, it's going to be a specific sound that I like it. And also you can run as a Bluetooth or RCA. It's very nice preamp. I love it for the price, and you have a headphone output here, right? I put all the links on the description, right? So let's play the different music, guys. All right, this one, you guys have some bass. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's get crazy loud. It's only the advertising 150. I was enjoying this part, right? So I'm gonna give you the more music, guys. These speakers like as 1500 watts watches, right? So they get really really loud and very nice and sensitive. I have a full detailed review of these speakers also, and those are giant. Like this is 75-inch TV, right? Right, when it's the idles the amplifier, you see that it's the maximum power. All like zero, it's dead. There's no hissing sound, no cracking sound, anything like that. Even if you move these knobs, it's very very nice and clean. And sometimes when you turn off, like those cheap amplifiers, you hear that it's a click. Then turn on, sometimes you're gonna hear the popping noise from all the cheap amplifiers, right? But these ones are super clean and nice. Now we're gonna run again. It's another music. Let's do it. Okay. All right. It's a lot of times any microphone, it doesn't matter. When it gets super loud, it's gonna get distortion, right? You guys, or the YouTube is gonna get distorted because it's gonna be compressed so many times, right? When I'm editing, it's gonna be get compressed. When I'm recording, and also you guys listening on your phone speakers, please make it louder so you're gonna hear it. Even your phone speaker is gonna get the bassy, right? When you make it louder, trust me, make it louder and you're gonna hear it, right? These speakers open baffle, right? It's gonna be open air, a lot punchy, nice bass, beautiful bass, right? But you're gonna get the ground shaking. You're gonna add those monsters, the 15s, in the next video, like a following video. So I'm gonna add those the subwoofers, and you're gonna see it. Only the once or twice I run these subwoofers, and I get cracked right there, the big cracked, because everything shakes on my living room right here. Everything shakes like crazy. So these guys, the monster already giving very open, light, punchy the bass. It's more than enough to listen to any music. But when I connect these monsters, that's gonna be next level. So I'm gonna run Fosi amplifier again, Z3, on these the subwoofers for the next future video, right? If you guys didn't subscribe to my channel, definitely subscribe it. I will upload a lot of video, and every single thing comes up, as I say, from the Fosi audio. I'm gonna order it, and I'm gonna give you the nice demo, not a bullshit talk show, right? So what do you guys think about this one? Look at the build quality. I like all the Fosi the units. A lot of stuff here, RCA inputs, optic coaxial, right? This is all in one, the unit. I love the view, the mirror, so it's going to be a lot interesting. So it's a bunch of items I have to do review also. Alright guys, if you like something like this, comment below. If you guys are running any of these amplifiers, let me know. Compare with your build, what kind of speakers you guys running. Because I run these amplifiers exactly the same unit with the bookshelf speakers, with the and these amplifiers is the overkill for the bookshelf speakers. For the tower speakers are good, but for the bookshelf, I don't know, you can buy a little cheaper ones than these. Alright, I'm out. Hope this video is gonna help you guys and everything. I put the links on description for the music, for the units, for everything, right?